Hey everybody, real quick, I've merged my Wikipedia to mind map and my Google text-to-speech work in something I call wiktrola. So wiktrola will get a Wikipedia article based on your search and transform it into an MP3 file. Let's see if we can do this quickly. So I'm going to make a Pi virtual environment called wiktrola, and then we're going to activate this. This is in Windows, by the way. This is not in Linux at all. So we're going to go wiktrola scripts activate, and then what we're going to do is make a directory called audio output. Let's do that. CD into audio output. And then what we're going to do is pip install wiktrola. And this will pull down wiktrola and all of the required libraries, including Jinja and RichClick and Wikipedia and the Google text-to-speech. So if we do wiktrola -- help, it will tell us that we just need a title. So if we do wiktrola enter, it's going to ask us the title. Let's do something geeky like 10 base 2. Now, what I think is neat is that I'm searching, and here's the results for the Wikipedia articles for the word. And if there's a hit, you can see there is a 10 base 2 article here. It will print the whole Wikipedia article on the page, so we have it in text. And then it's going to transform it into an MP3 file. Now this takes a little bit of time depending on the size of the Wikipedia article. Let's come back and check out the audio.
Wiktrola has transformed the following Wikipedia page. 10base2 found at https en.wikipedia.org/wiki/10base2. The summary for this Wikipedia page. 10base2, also known as CheaperNet, Thin Ethernet, ThinNet, and Thin Wire, is a variant of Ethernet that uses thin coaxial cable terminated with BNC connectors to build a local area network. During the mid to late 1980s, this was the dominant 10 megabits per second Ethernet standard. But due to the immense demand for high-speed networking, the low cost of Category 5 cable, and the popularity of 802.11 wireless networks, both 10